These are browser extensions for designers, developers, engineers. This is my favorite part about sharing resources. By watching today's video, I can promise you will boost your productivity in your work, so just subscribe to my channel. As a productivity nerd, I make good use of browser extensions to get work done efficiently, and here are the resources from my bookmark collection that can help you. Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder AxDev Tools by DeckColorzilla. 4.fatcun batch download image 5.go full page screen capture 6.Hurio UX check and visual feedback tool. HTML to Figma mock visual screenshot capture page ruler. 10. Quixy Toolbox, free text extractor OCR 11.raindrop 12.Screely, instant browser mockups. 13. Screencastify, screen video recorder. Loom alternative 14. Scribe documentation. Sobson screenshots 15. Snap font, preview fonts on any page. 16. Stark 17. Weave a highlighter, PDF, and Web 18. What font? The links to these resources can be found in the comments down arrow. Also, feel free to add your favorite resources in the comments. Please subscribe, like, and share video. Section, and you also reach me out for free lycot444@gmail.com. Also, feel free to add your favorite resources in the comments section, and you also reach me out for free lycot444@gmail.com.